Hey guys, well, welcome back. So today's going to be the first day actually working on the stander. So game plan is we're going to, I think at first we're going to try to get the old engine off, and then it's going to be cleanup time, trying to get this thing as clean as possible. Going to grind the rust down, just going to get it looking really nice. But the main thing is we got to get the engine off, and so we'll get started. I'll see if I can put you on time lapse, and we will get started. Alright guys, sorry for the lack of filming. I was filming for a little bit, but then it started taking a really long time to get it apart. So we finally have the engine off. That was the biggest pain in the ass ever, because this pulley did not want to come off. We used oil, we used heat, we used everything we could think of, and it just would not come off. So we had to beat the shit out of it, turn the whole thing upside down and just beat it. Look, we even mushroomed over our punch. So I've got to get that apart still, but we've got the engine off. Now we get to clean it, throw new belts on it, and get it ready for paint and get it running. That fucking sucked.
That's an understatement.
This was our little bit of a mess that we made. No big deal though. The engine's off.
Yep.
Only took 2 days and 4 hours.